Hey YouTube, this is Trains and Destinations, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and do a laptop unboxing. Now this one will be pretty unique because I won't be unboxing a Windows laptop this time, but I'll be doing a MacBook. And this MacBook I happen to get for just $350. And so the question of this video is a $350 MacBook worth it? So let's go ahead and unbox the components. So what we have there is a charger, and then the actual box that the laptop came in is right behind it. Now, the reason why I have the little box is because I was told from the seller that the charger for this MacBook is no good. It's in very bad condition. So he advised me to get a new charger. So that's what I did. I bought a third-party MagSafe charger, which isn't really surprising because for some reason Apple chargers just aren't built that well. They don't last that long. So anyway, there it is. You know, simple third-party MagSafe charger. And yeah, that's about it. It's a 45-watt charger, and that'll be good enough for what I need it for. I don't necessarily need the fast charger for this thing. So if you're wondering what this is specifically, this laptop is going to be a 2017 MacBook Air, which obviously brand new was $1,000, but in 2021, with the new M1 MacBook Air as well as the new style MacBook Air in general, the old style MacBooks have really gone down in price, and so now you can routinely find a 2017 era Air for around $350 to $400 new, in good condition, as far as I can tell. So as far as I can tell, it's a pretty good deal. So anyway, this here, this is the original charger, which I can see why the seller told me not to get it. I mean, you can see it's super dirty. Like, this is supposed to be white, and you see how dirty the wires are. The actual charger wire has yellowed considerably. It's open right here. You can see open exposed wiring. So yeah, this thing's done for. Yeah, it's even cracked here. So I don't know what happened here. Because from the photos, the laptop looked to be in good condition, but if that's the condition of the charger, then I'm a little concerned. But like I said, this was only $350, so if you want to get yourself a MacBook without spending a ton of money, here you go. Alright, so we got here the laptop itself in a nice layer of bubble wrap. That's all that comes in the package. There is no what can I say? There is no box for it or anything of that sort. So let's go ahead and rip open the package. Now, if you're looking for a used MacBook Air, typically the easiest way to know whether you're going to look at a good one or a bad one is when you look at the pictures, look at the corners. For some reason, MacBook Airs are usually dented on any of the corners, and that's because these can dent rather easily, but also because MacBook Airs are typically used by college students. And so if you see one where there's like a big dent in like one of the corners, then that's how you know it was owned by a college student. It was probably thrusted around inside of a book bag, and that lets you know that that's one that you shouldn't buy. Ideally you should get a MacBook Air from someone, probably a senior citizen, who probably use it for just Facebook or whatever. But yeah, that's how you can tell whether it's a good one or a bad one. And oh wow, this one looks pretty good. Wow, look at that. So it's not perfect. Not perfect. Got some scratches here, although I'm gonna go ahead in a sec with an alcoholic wipe to see how much we can get off. But first impressions are not bad. As you can see, the corners are not dented. That one's not dented. Smooth, straight lines. If you take a look at the ports, they really aren't that dirty at all. The ports aren't even dirty, just a little dusty. So of course you got your MagSafe connector, a USB port, and a headphone jack. And then here on the other side you got a full-size SD card reader, another USB port, and I believe a mini display port. And then on the back here, again, there's maybe a little divot there, but otherwise there's no denting, just a bit dirty, I would say. And then this one is the A1466. So this is the 2017 model of the MacBook Air. So anyway, let's go ahead and open it up. The hinge feels fine. It's a little tiny bit loose, but not bad. And then getting a little closer, I mean, it's a typical MacBook. It's obviously silver. Trackpad feels good. The keyboard, typical MacBook, it's pretty good. The screen definitely needs a cleaning. As you can see, the screen definitely needs a cleaning. As far as the keyboard, it's not that dirty. Oh, it's actually kind of dirty. This is gonna need some cleaning. So, okay, this isn't amazing. This hinge is a little looser than I would like, but altogether it's not bad. It's not bad. It just needs a good cleaning. And why the seller didn't clean this beforehand, I don't know. I don't know why. That's something I find very common. For some reason, laptop sellers do not clean their freaking laptops beforehand. But, you know, overall this isn't bad. You know, there's no dents. Doesn't look like there's anything obviously wrong. It just, again, needs a good cleaning. So, I'm probably gonna just end the video here. I'm gonna go ahead, clean this up with some alcoholic wipes, which is really the best way to clean these, is just with some alcoholic wipes and cotton swabs, some water, elbow pressure, towels, all that stuff. So, anywho, thank you for watching my unboxing of this 2017 MacBook Air. And like I said, pretty good deal right now for this particular one.